I want is, this is pure HTML. So every concept we are understanding with HTML and also with CSS. Now the same page, I want to design like this. I want to design the same page in this way. This way. So what is coming? This is same example only, but the unordered list, the first unordered, all unordered list, we apply a background color, orange, red. And for each list item, we are providing a separate background color. So we want to design the same page. We want to design the same page. I will make a copy of this. Same page, HTML, unordered list with CSS. So 9, HTML, unordered list dot HTML with the CSS only. So same page, but we want to show it with the CSS. So refresh. 8 to 1 HTML unordered list.html. So what I want is, I don't want this one. I want a separate font called as Verdana. Another font. You can take the font names from, you can take the font name from MS Office or from the fonts folder. So Verdana is coming. I don't want that much space. 22 pixel is enough.
Sir, what is this serif? SERIF?
In which family it belongs to. I'll explain this when we start with our CSS. We have got basically 4 categories of fonts are there. Serif, sans serif, cursive, and mono space. These are the 4 category of fonts. See, for example, my house, my family, from my forefathers onwards, we got a family name. So all the members of that family belongs to that particular family only. So in my family, from my grandfather, my father, me, my kids, so everyone belongs to the same family, but everyone have got their own some special features.
Yes.
So the same way, font is also having a different family. So 4 families are there for font. So this is only to tell that in which family category this Verdana belongs to. Not much impact. If you're not writing also, you will get the same output only. Got it? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So font size 22 pixel, we are getting. Now what I want is, this unordered list, I want to provide a background color. So in order to provide the background color for the unordered list, we'll say background hyphen color of orange red. So background color, we are providing it as orange red. Yes, we got the background color. Then after that, each list item, I want to provide a separate color. So for that purpose, for each list item, so I'll say LI, for the list item, background color of light salmon. Some color is applied, light salmon. Each list item, some background color is applied, but everything is coming together. So I want to provide some gap. So in order to provide some gap for the list item, margin we can provide 5 pixel, the whole side margin of 5 pixel we are providing. The whole side margin we are providing. And for the list item, some padding also, if you want, you can provide. So padding of 5 pixel. For the list item, some padding can be applied. Yes?
Sir, is it not at the bottom, margin at the bottom?
I just given all the side, I provided some margin. Here also some margin. If you want to have only at the bottom, it depends on you. So I'll say.
No, because, no. Why I'm asking is, here on the top.
Yeah.
On the top, there is no margin, right?
No, that is not margin. That is padding. That is called as padding of this unordered list. So if you want to provide some space there for the unordered list, you just say padding top 10 pixel. So padding top 10 pixel. Have you seen space is coming?
Oh, okay.
Padding top. And for the
Yes,
bottom
yes.
also, if you want to provide padding bottom.
Bottom. Okay.
So why I'm not using padding? See, padding bottom. So bottom also padding is applied. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Now, why I'm not giving the padding? See, for example, when you see this item, this unordered list, let us go to inspect element. You take one unordered list. One point you have to understand, inspect element. So you take one UL. When you take that UL, you see this picture you can see here, right? So there what is coming? Padding for the unordered list, padding on the top is nothing. Right, nothing is given. Bottom, nothing is given. But in the left hand side, how much is given?
40.
40 pixel. So if I apply padding 5 pixel, this bullets will go inside. You may not be able to see by default. For a unordered list or ordered list, padding left is given with the 40 pixel. Padding left is given with the 40 pixel. Please remember that. And the margin top and bottom is also 22 pixel. Margin top and bottom is 22 pixel. Now, when you take the list item, padding is 5 pixel top, right, bottom, left, 5 pixel padding is applied. Got it? So any element and padding margin bottom is 5 pixel. Margin bottom is 5 pixel. So any element, if you want to see, just inspect the element and you will understand. And the most important is padding left for the unordered list or ordered list is 40 pixel. Padding left for the unordered and ordered list is 40 pixel. That is one point you have to understand.
Okay, sir.
So that's the reason why. So I'm not giving padding for this. So for example, when you come to this and if you say padding of 10 pixel, even left also will be reduced. When you come here, you may not be able to see the bullets. Have you seen? Because
Yes,
padding
yes.
left is gone inside. So don't apply padding left directly. You can say padding top 10 pixel and padding bottom 10 pixel. Padding left and padding bottom 10 pixel. And the margin is also applied. So I don't want this much width. So it's occupying the complete area. If you don't want to have that much width, we can say width of 60% of the screen. Width of 60% of the screen. We applied 60%. Now padding top, padding bottom, and I want to provide padding right also, maybe 10 pixel. Padding right also 10 pixel. So everything is coming. So this is how we design our ordered list. So one, not ordered list, unordered list. So we have got an unordered list. So unordered list is defined with the UL. So we got the font family. We provided the font size. We are providing a background color, padding top, bottom. So why padding left we have not given? Because by default, padding left is 40 pixel. By default, padding left is 40 pixel. So then only I can see this marker in a correct way. And for the list item also, we applied a separate background color. And also we given margin bottom. Only margin bottom is applied. So now okay, list item, margin bottom. So if I'm not providing the margin bottom, it will be clubbed together. Because of that padding, it will be clubbed together. I want to have some gap between, so margin bottom. So this is what unordered list.